Hey guys, this is Livy here, and yeah, I'm with Troy.
Hi.
We are not at the nature centre no more. The end bit we cut off, but yeah, basically my phone was too low on battery, so I couldn't actually record. But all there was
a hog.
shush.
What? That was a hog.
There wasn't. It wasn't that. It was.
A pig.
There was two pigs, and they were basically these big birds with long beaks and long legs. Not flamingos. They were grey and white and black, but still.
The pig. One of the pigs farted.
Yeah.
I fed it bamboo, I think.
Yeah. Troy fed the pig bamboo, and then afterwards it farted. You are very glad that you didn't smell that.
I couldn't smell it because I have a blocked nose.
But what we're gonna do now is Troy's gonna hold my camera.
No.
Yes, you said that you would. You will, won't you? You will, won't you?
I said I might.
Will you?
I might.
Well, I'm going to show you my nunchucks either way. I might actually have to stand my phone up on the chair or something, but still.
I'll record as long as I can do a rest.
Okay.
Yep.
Right, so I am going to use
Nunchuckers.
these.
I'll hold the camera.
I'll tell you if I can see it. Yeah. Woo. Oh yeah.
Down the mustachio.
Mr. and Mrs. Nunchuck. Right, stand all the way back there. Stand back there. And I can actually use them, guys. Look. Oh, Joe, please. Oh. Try. Hold it. No, down. A bit up there. Throw and catch.
Do your ending. My turn.
And now Troy's going to use them.
I use these.
Sorry guys, I just put my...
I use paper ones.
Yeah, Troy has never used these ones much. So if he accidentally whacks himself in the wrong place, then I can't quit it out. So there we go. Right.
Wait.
You're going to throw him a pea.
No. I'm going to do my end. Wait. There we go. I also whacked myself in the
Booyakasha! If you're
Oh,
actually wondering where we are, Nan's lights. Yeah, we're in Nan's back garden. She's got loads of solar panel lights and stuff. She loves her lights.
If you saw the nature centre vlog.
Yeah, you need to watch the nature centre vlog. You need to watch it. You need to watch it because it's amazing. We see loads of little animals and stuff.
How many sausages?
Two. I wasn't. I went like I said peace.
Hey.
That is offensive.
Ow. That hurt my throat.
But basically, if you watch the nature centre vlog, you will love it. There's a few parts to just because. Well, I ain't even gonna say it, but I can only do a certain amount of time. Yeah, about 10 minutes. But you see, loads of different animals. We had to cut out. We had to skip a couple of things because we couldn't see them, but I tried. I know that I couldn't get the leopard in, but... Oh, wait, maybe I did actually. Yes, I did. I got a picture. You get to see snakes, and they actually removed all the spiders years ago. Tarantulas and everything. That would be epic. Oh, well. And they also removed the porcupines and the hedgehogs. Don't know why, but but yeah, there's actually like little adorable monkeys in the vlog. I did not get to yeah, I didn't get to show you the little baby monkey just because it was hiding in its little house at the time. What? What? Oh, sorry! I forgot to put my dad's phone on charge. Whoops. Sorry, Dad! Ooh! Sherbet! Pass them out the window! Oh, but I'm doing my vlog!
The bag's still shut.
Pass the bag out then!
Right, just have 5 each for now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
This is how small Livy's balloon is.
I know, yeah. Thanks,
Actually some pink on
I
this.
seem quite
Bye.
5 pinks.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Ew. Sherbet straws.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Troy, you coming out?
Oh, yeah.
Boop. Close the door with my bum. Closed. Sherbet straws.
You had to shut it on the
Sorry! Ugh. I got sherbet straws. 5. Yeah, you get to see loads of different animals. Yeah, my phone my phone basically ran out of battery in the middle of recording, so I couldn't actually upload that bit. But
actually,
yeah, I uploaded the rest.
well, you are going to.
Oh yeah, I haven't actually uploaded them yet. I'm actually doing
By the
this
time
vlog
you
when
see
I'm-
this video, they'll be up and running. And I am getting my channel soon. I've already pre-recorded a load of videos.
Troy, ask Nanny Betty if you can go on her her laptop and get it up and running.
A PC.
No, not a PC. Use a laptop. Sherbet. Boop, 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 boop. Oh crap! There's some in there.
Actually, I'll do it later.
Yeah. 1 sherbet straw down. 4 to go.
Just to say, if you
Troy.
please, if you don't like
Sherbet
blood
straw.
and gore, don't watch my channel. Except on the vlogs.
Whoop. Whoop. So.
Don't watch my channel.
Oh, actually, yeah, don't watch his channel unless you want to see Black
Oh.
Ops.
Gore and blood. and
Yeah,
Black
because
Ops.
Troy likes all that stuff. But I'm going to give you an angle of my nanny's back garden. Well, my nan's, but still. It has loads of lights. Not all of them came on, but
Don't
some
destroy
has.
my video because I'm underage.
Oh yeah.
fun.
Do subscribe. I
My
need more subscribers. I want more subscribers. I need.
she hasn't
them.
got that many. She's only got
I've
like
got
10.
I've got 11. Thank you.
It's pretty much 10.
Troy's also going to get his channel up and running, so go and subscribe to him. But here's a picture. Well, here's a slight image of my nan's back garden. Ting!
They aren't real animals, just to say.
Troy, go and stand back there and tell me if they can see it all. I'll just give you. There's lights all along the back.
Chinese
On
lanterns.
here.
Chinese lanterns.
Oh, you can't even see that very well. That's basically like a little miniature tree.
We've also got Chinese
Is it
lanterns.
real? Yeah, it's real. And
Chinese
then there's
lantern.
also
Liv, what about the Chinese
this-
lanterns?
bit here, which is actually a wishing well.
Liv, Chinese lanterns.
Chinese lanterns.
What aren't on?
No. I wonder why. Here's the blue lights along the fence with the red lights, and then goes into blue, purple, red, blue,
Liv,
and then that is it.
Liv.
What?
Well, what else was I say?
My dad actually spray painted. Oh, sorry guys, we have to end the video. But yeah, thanks for
I'll be
watching.
doing the vlog
Yes,
pretty soon.
true, get it. So
By the
subscribe,
time you
like
see
the
this
video.
video,
Bye.